DIY cow halter. Strong, simple, farm ready. No special tools needed. Start with 20 feet rope. Fold for equal strands. Take open end in left hand. Make a loop through the fingers. Tie the first side knot. Tighten the knot firmly. Turn the knot upside down. Again, make a loop through fingers. Tie the second side knot. Tighten the knot firmly. Tie overhand knot in the lead rope. Lock everything in place. Lo, the halter is complete. Farm tested and ready. DIY halter saves money. Like and subscribe for more farm knots.